Hey, let me see your hands. Hey, do not! He's pulling off! Get out!
Probably gonna hop out. He's pulling around. He's right there to your left. Stop her now. Stop. Block, you just hit an officer. He's headed towards Collington. He's pulling around. He's right there. Stop.
I'm good.
6161. LA 6 also. Probably gonna hop out. He's pulling around. He's right there to your left. Stop her now. Stop. Block the entrance.
Fox, he just hit an officer. He's headed towards Collington. He's going to be going across Mira, westbound Mira, coming up to Chester Street. Still westbound. He's going to be in the parking lot now, 1200 block of Preston Street in the rear. Cutting across, coming up to Preston Street now. He just hit another car. He's going to be bailing out, 1200 block of Preston. He's going to be westbound towards Washington. Preston and Washington. Northbound on Washington from Preston. Northbound on Washington. He's going to be in the rear. It's like 2000 block of Ellsworth. 2005. Coming out to Ellsworth. Still crossing the alleyway. Coming up to Hoffman Street. 2013 Hoffman. He's going to be cutting across back out to Washington. All right, now he's going to be in the rear of the 2000 block of Washington. He's going to be in the rear, it looks like maybe 2007 Washington. 1317 Washington. Units coming up here right at the corner of Washington and Hoffman. He's going to be in the cut. Washington and Hoffman in the cut. Come on up to Washington and Hoffman. Looks like maybe 2003 Hoffman in the rear.
25, where's the vehicle?
So let's get him first. 2003 Hoffman. The vehicle's going to be crashed just a block south from here. I'm going to get my light on him. He's still in the cut here. Looks like 2003 Hoffman. So it's going to be like the third house in. I got my light on him now. 2003 Hoffman. He's just hunkered down in the rear. Unit coming in the back. Go ahead, make your left right there. He's going to be in that first cut in between the two homes there. Yeah, 10-4, right in that cut right there. That's where he's going to be, right there. 10-4. He's going to be right on the left-hand side. All right, they're making contact with him now. Looks like 2003 Hoffman.